Hi, I'm Cade, and this is a video about trying to get an old 240Z back on the road again. I'm not a mechanic. I've only just started working on vehicles out of necessity. At the point of starting this, the most I'd ever done on a car was change brake pads when I was 14. I replaced a motorcycle's fuel pump when the shops couldn't diagnose it. After that, I failed to fix a Honda Rebel's carburetor. So, this is how it went. Now, I don't really want to bore you with all of the slow methods of me doing this. This is mostly going to just be a compilation of the things that I tried to do and how well or bad that went. I'm pretty sure I'm actually jacking this up in the wrong way, but this is what I had at the time.
So my understanding of what I'm kind of thinking is this hose goes in here. There's like a filler hose that we have to take off. That is a piece that so this piece is like a tube, and then it goes in there, and then it goes into here. And then there's a piece that like connects what's going on the outside to the inside. And I think we're gonna have to take this fin off to be able to separate the connections, so that whenever we drop the tank, it'll be disconnected from the filler neck. Which
Right.
This is like it goes straight down.
This is Christian. He's the guy I pretty much gave that Honda Rebel away to for free. After checking the engine to see if it might start, and having a lot of hope for it, for some reason I decided the first thing that needed to be done was to clean the gas tank. So this is us trying to figure out how to drop that.
Whenever you're putting your gas in, like Bill, it all goes into this side at the top.
So we end up taking apart this panel for absolutely no reason. There is no real access to the gas tank or the input for the gas tank behind this panel. It's all accessible underneath the car, and so we just spend some time breaking the little push button things. No connections on this side other than this pipe, but I can't get off. I think I'm gonna have to cut it.
You got channel locks, bro? So like the trick is that there's two tricks. Mm-hmm. And whenever like this, I was able to get it off. But like you get a pair of channel locks and you just move it up and down. You just break that seal. And then you should be able to slide
Hold
it.
on. We've both got different names for every tool, I think.
Hey, the cutters, bro, we call them dikes. Oh yeah, vice grips is what I call these.
I think monkey wrench is what I was told.
Yeah, I used to call crescent wrenches monkey wrenches.
Mm-hmm.
I told Rose, I was like, this is why I think these are called dikes, and she's like, you sound stupid as hell.
I hope by now you realize this isn't a tutorial on how to mess with your Datsun 240Z. This is just me with a bunch of other people who only kind of sort of know what they're doing, trying to get this car working piece by piece.
All right, I'm about to take it. All right, yeah, we got it.
Okay, tank. I mean, we can set it down. And what do you do with a gas tank once it's removed other than try to clean it? So this is me pouring baking soda on the ground because I'll be using muriatic acid and a bunch of rocks in the gas tank to hopefully shake it around and clean it out. Oh, and also this funny trench coat motorcycle helmet get up is because I'm using muriatic acid here, and It's this really strong acid. It's not something I really want to be playing with. And as fun as this all was, I gotta say, it didn't work. So I took it to the same shop that Ronald Finger took the gas tank for his 280Z, the Fondren Radiator Shop in South Houston. They did a wonderful job with it. I won't bore you with the tank going back in, just that I used my roommate's help to do it. He doesn't really want to be on camera, but after we got some of the more important or harder to reach things in place, we put one of the straps on, and then I used a scissor jack to hold it up so my roommate could go back to what he was doing. I realize here that this whole gas tank saga didn't really get the vehicle any closer to running, so I started into all the regular checks that I know need to get a car going. Oil and its filter, replace the fuel filter too, try to start it.
Is there any fuel going into the filter?
No, not yet. Nothing. By the way, the person helping me here is Kenneth. It's my roommate's father. Out of respect, I'm also going to try to hide his face the best I can. He's not much in this video, but he did help with a gas leak on my BMW F800, so I just want to thank him for that. Negative first?
Yeah.
Then we realized the battery was bad too. So that was replaced. Go for the...
Is that the next one?
Yep. Good.
They gave you a brand new battery?
Yep. Well, I had bought a brand new battery.
Must be the starter then.
Next. Good. Go for it. Alright. They're all good, and they're all the same spark plug, so I'm assuming he replaced them all at the same time. So, after this, what would you say is the next step?
Fuel.
So I guess the question someone might be asking is, hey, why is someone with no clue how to start dead cars in possession of 2 sitting garage classics? That's because they were my father's. He was the original owner of both, and even had a third blue one at some point. Anyway, they've been sitting for almost 20 years now. He was always meaning to fix one up, but ended up getting shot not too long after we cleaned out the carburetors of this one in 2021. I guess I take this off, take the auto parts store, and see if they've got a replacement. With the fuel pump replaced, try it again. On hindsight, that was cranked far too long. I think I'm gonna have to get a new starter. Because yeah, this thing smokes, and I don't think it's burning something that's on it. Well, at least that confirmed it. Now there's plenty more to do on this car, of course. I haven't gotten it running, I haven't gotten it moving, I haven't gotten really any of my goals, but I did keep at it. This won't be the only video on this car. It took half a year to get this far, but after this I'm joined by a friend who really knows what they're doing. Hope to see you there.